Da, da, the moment of truth.
They didn't want you to get in here.
Oh.
Oh. Welcome to 100 Days of Trailhead, where the tech community comes to learn Salesforce, learn tech, get inspired, and invest in ourselves. We are your trail guides, here to support you on your learning journey. We release videos weekly. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a video. In the description below, you can find links for everything we mention in this video, as well as books and resources we found useful. Visit our blog, 100daysoftrailhead.com, for other helpful Salesforce and tech content.
Hi, I'm Jessica.
And I'm Rachel.
And we're from 100 Days of Trailhead. And people often ask us, now, what do you do for a living? So what do you do for a living, Rachel?
Absolutely. So I am a consultant and I work with Accenture. We are a international consultancy and we are a platinum partner with Salesforce, but I'm also a career coach. And one thing that I love is seeing people thrive, whether they're starting their career, they're in the middle of their career, or they're very advanced in their career. It's really nice to be able to talk to them and understand their goals and help them work through those. So Jessica, what do you do?
I'm an independent consultant. So I'm an independent Salesforce consultant who works with small businesses, and I work with nonprofits. And this harkens back to the days when I was a sign language interpreter. I was an independent contractor as an interpreter, interpreted all over the state of Georgia and all over Arizona. And so when I changed into a career in tech, I wanted to remain independent. So I've been an independent consultant who works, again, with small businesses and nonprofits. I also do educational consultancy. I have a master's degree in education, and I also train. And I'm also a career coach because I love seeing people succeed. I love seeing businesses succeed. I love seeing individuals succeed. It's just the best for me. And so since I am a Black-owned business, I was sent a package, and I'm pretty excited to show you what I got.
All right. I think you should open yours first.
Okay. So I am one of the businesses who is a part of the Black-owned Salesforce entrepreneurs. And so since I'm a member of that group, I got this amazing t-shirt, and I'm going to open it and show it to you. So I got this phenomenal, and I'm saying this on purpose, phenomenal t-shirt, phenomenally Black-owned. I own my own business, and I'm phenomenally Black-owned. Thank you so much, Salesforce. Thank you, Mania Moore, and thank you to the Black-owned Salesforce entrepreneurs. Thank you. Very cool. Thank you. So what did you get, Rachel? Cool. I know, right? What did you get?
All right. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. So this is cute. I opened it and it has this little card in here. And it says, "Happy holidays, Rachel. Thank you for all of your hard work this year." And it says, "On my project." So I've got some little matches in here. I've got some fun festive stickers.
These are cute.
These are cute. Yeah, there's some succulents. And here's another succulent sticker. And another succulents. I have care instructions for a live plant. They don't know that I have a black thumb.
Da, 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 the moment of truth.
Okay. There's a lot of, I'm making a mess. All right. Oh, this is nice. But
oh,
it's a soy candle.
Oh, open it out.
I'm gonna. Oh my gosh, that smells.
Oh, that smells so good.
It's a white tea and ginger. Oh, that smells really good. It is just so fragrant with like essential oils.
It smells amazing.
So there, this is really cool. All right. And then I've got this little guy. And it's a little bag. I think Santa's bag.
Santa carried plants this year.
Apparently. Okay. You know, for coming through the mail, it really did
it's
quite
so
well.
cute.
It's a little succulent.
So adorbs.
I really like this. Thank you so much.
Thank you to our Salesforce or HANA. Thank you for my part to Salesforce. Thank you to Mania Moore. And thank you to the Black-owned Salesforce entrepreneurs. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm grateful.
And thank you so much, Accenture, and my project specifically sent this to me. So thank you to all the leadership of my project. I really appreciate it. Have a very happy holiday. Please stay safe.
Yes.
And we look forward to seeing you soon.
And until then, bye-bye.
Thank you for spending time with us. Please like and subscribe to our channel because we share weekly content to support your tech and Salesforce learning journey. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video. We also handpick these videos which we recommend you watch next. Connect with us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and on 100daysoftrailhead.com, all of which are listed below. Thank you for learning with us, and we'll see you back tomorrow.